Hi students, welcome back to your math teacher. I'm going to give you some more practices on measuring the angles. The question number 1 I want to do is, I have an angle of EOF and GOH, which are the lines. So I'm going to draw it for you. The middle one is O, and the rest is as follows. Okay, this one is given is 133 degrees. So the angle EOH is given, which is 133. This angle is vertically opposite to GOF. So that is also 133 degrees. So if EOH is 133, GOF is also 133 degrees. So I know this one. I'm just going to write it down here. But the question is asking us, find the angle HOF. So I put question mark, and EOG. Put question mark. So the first one is HOF. How do we find that out? So in this question, we're using two rules. The first rule that I had to use is vertically opposite angle. That's how I got GOF. And now the second rule that I'm going to use is the rule for the line. You see the line EF. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to make the line thicker so you can see. So you see the line EF. So from here to here is 133. It's 180, sorry. From here to here is 180. So the whole thing is 180. And we have a little bit of it, which is 133. So what needs to be done? We just simply minus it. So we say 180 subtract 133, you get 47. So this angle is 47. And the opposite to that is this angle, which is also 47. Okay? Hope I'm not going too fast and you understand it all. Next question. These questions are a bit challenging for you. So I would suggest to watch the video a couple of times to understand it better. I'm going to do number 2. So the information I have in this question is that POQ and ROS are lines. It's asking to find the angles. So first I'm going to do drawing the lines for you so you can see. This is S. I'm going to draw it one more time for you. From here to here, so it's one straight line. ROS. and then another straight line. It's going this way. POQ, and there is one straight line going up, which is called T. There are some angles that are given to us. This one is 41 degrees. This one is 74 degrees. This one we don't know, and the rest we don't know. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to write, I'm just going to write down the angles that we know. Angle POT equals to 74 degrees. Angle TOS is equal to 41 degrees. What else do I know? I know angle POS, right? So POS is the combination of POT and TOS. So 74 plus 41. Correct? Which is 115. I'm just going to write it down. Maybe I'll use it, maybe not. That's okay. But it looks like I can use it because these two lines, the line POQ and RS are lines, which means that gives me the information that I can use the rule of vertically opposite angles. That's what it tells me. So knowing that, then that means ROQ is 115. That made my life so much easier. So I'm going to show it in the picture as well. If this is 115, that means this one is 115. Let me know if you have another way of doing this question. This is the way I do it. So another one, I'm going to find out this one and this angle. I'm going to write it with light blue so it's less confusing for you. So I know the line SOR, right? So all of it, SOR, is 180 degrees. True? And then angle ROQ is 115. So what is the angle SOQ? What needs to be done? If the total is 180 and part of it is 115, so how do I find the other part of it, which is SOQ? Very simple. So I just say 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115, which is 65 degrees. Correct? And if SOQ is 65, by knowing the rule of vertically opposite angle, POR is also 65. Okay? I know these ones is a bit challenging, so you have to go over it multiple times and pause the video in the middle of it. If you don't understand some of the rules, you have to go to my first video, watch it one more time, and so you hopefully understand it better. These videos, you have to watch them multiple times until you understand it fully. I'm going to do the third question, which is my last question for today and for this video. Number 3. AOB and COD are lines. As I told you, you have to pay attention to the question. The question is always giving you a hint and asking for the measurement of AOC and COB. I have to draw it for you so you understand it. So there is one straight line going down, which the names are C, O, D. There's one line straight going this way, AOB. And then here we have another line going down, which is called E. So here the angle is 29. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it can fit into the spot. So it's 29 degrees. The rest of it we don't know. We don't know this one. So it's asking us this one and the rest of it. For each angle, I'm going to use a different color so it's not confusing for you and it's easier to understand. So the first angle is asking us AOC. AOC, which I showed with the green color. So I have to take a look at the picture that I have. So I know the line COD is 180, correct? So from all the way here is 180, correct? Yes. We have 29, but if I minus it, I get 2 other angles, and then I don't know how to find the other angles. So I have to find a different way of solving this problem. What do you think is the best way to do this question? What is the first thing I need to do to find AOC? Which rule can I use? Can I use the rule of vertically opposite? There's another piece of information that is very, very important in this question that I wanted to show you last. I'm going to show you with yellow. From here to here, this is the sign I see. This sign means 90 degrees. This sign is 90 degrees. So angle EOB is equal to 90 degrees. That makes it a lot easier for me. So I know from here to here is 90 degrees. So now, how can I solve this problem? So I would like you to think about it and comment below how you would solve it. Find the angle AOC and COB for me and comment it below. If you're my student in my class, I will give you a bonus mark. And if you're not, still comment it and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.